Hello everyone, I am Hassan Sohail. This is the day 2 of our course Microsoft Power BI certificate course, and today I'm going to tell you how much did I complete in our day 2. So today is 21st of March 2025. I started with this part, creating workbook content, the first video on Excel in this course. Then I completed this. It was about 6 minutes and 38 seconds, very basic. Like I again say, it was very basic. And then entering and formatting data, how will we enter data into a new worksheet, and how will we go through the formatting, basic formatting, for example, the background color and everything. I did it very well, and I just understood it very well because I have already completed, like I have already like done these tasks in the past, so I'm very familiar with this process. Then we have regional variations Excel. It was just about the different currency formats and like separators and everything. For example, we use comma, and some countries use decimal or period. And moreover, we talked about languages. For example, if you select Hindi, if you select English, it will differ in the like in very little, but yeah, it will differ in the functionalities. And then we did this working with rows and columns. What is the function of rows? How do we select them? How can we name them, right? And what are columns and how can we select them? Very basic. Working with worksheets. How can you use multiple worksheets? How can you rename worksheets? How can you give a tab color to the worksheets? We did this. It was a reading assignment, so I can just show you. Yeah. Then I did exercise. It was an exercise. Basically, it was a reading exercise, and adding data to a worksheet was very simple. It was just about how do we enter new data, or how can we format the like already entered data in a worksheet. Then adding new data to a worksheet is was a self review. For example, it gave us like some like this is an example exercise. It was an exercise, so I did this whole how to do step by step. This file told me. Then I moved to this self review. Like self review is a process in this course wherein I don't have to submit the actual assignment, actual worksheet in which I perform the tasks, but I have to give like I have to attempt a quiz so that I can check on have a check on myself. Okay, how did I do in this whole task? For example, the question can be how which in which tab did you go to format the color of the sheet, right? It was like basically like this. Then exemplar adding data to a worksheet, it was very simple. Then this practice assignment, knowledge check, creating workbook content, I just already submitted. But yeah, I found some of the questions to be like I was confused in some of the questions, so I just did in the third or fourth attempt. I achieved a full 100%. In the first attempt, I suppose I scored an 80 or something like that, but I did not pass below 80. I think I got in this last reading. I just it was an additional resource. Basically, it was for like the help. How can we refer to Microsoft support? How can we refer to forums? And how can we like refer to the Microsoft support guide? It was a very simple thing. Then this like I started this. It was on writing the blocks of data in Excel. It was the first video reading large blocks of data. Then sorting and filtering data. It was a very important for me because I was not familiar with the filter and sort difference. So I just attended this very sincerely and just did all the tasks. So it was very new to me. So I just attempted the whole quiz, and I read it till the whole, like I did basically very sincerely. Moreover, the reading, sorting data, and this was a practice assignment. It was a very good assignment, I suppose. At a third attempt, I got 100%. Actually, I did pass in the first two attempts. I got an 80%. I am eligible to move on. But yeah, I want that in every practice assignment I should score 100. So for that, I make mistakes and I learn from them, because if I just pass and if I like do any question incorrect, so I may just forget that concept. Also, I wrote one mistake in my like personal notes where I was lacking, and I corrected it because the question was very indeed very good, right? I can just show you the submission. This question I was very confused from the past because I was doing this question wrong multiple times. So with the help of this question, I was able to clear my concept. Yeah. So this was the whole day, and I'll be like resuming from this reading part tomorrow, 22 March 2025. Thank you for watching the video, and keep following the whole series. I'll be uploading the series in a daily manner. So thank you so much.